Well, he was acquitted of federal explosives charges just this past Friday, but today Youssef Megahed is back in the hands of federal agents, and his family tonight is outraged. Fox 13's Shannon Malaire explains why he was taken into custody again.
On Friday, after a 3-week trial, Youssef Megahed walked out of a Tampa courthouse a free man.
I'm very happy.
Megahed was acquitted on all counts of federal explosives charges, but his freedom was short-lived. Monday, to the surprise of his father, Megahed was arrested all over again.
They arrest my son. They kidnap my son.
Samir Megahed, Youssef's father, says they were walking out of this Walmart on Bruce B. Downs when more than a dozen customs enforcement agents surrounded them.
I am ashamed for this government. I live under this American flag, and I am afraid about my son and my family.
ICE confirms they have Megahed in their custody. They say they arrested him for civil violations of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Officials won't comment further on the arrest, but a subclause under the Immigration and Nationality Act's terrorist clause could shed some light on the situation. It reads, aliens are inadmissible if a consular officer knows or has reasonable ground to believe he or she is engaged in or is likely to engage after entry in any terrorist activity. In August of 2007, Megahed and his friend Ahmed Mohammed were arrested when police found what they believed were explosives in the trunk of his car. Prosecutors implied the two were planning an act of terrorism, but when it came to Megahed's trial, a jury didn't agree.
After having a fair trial and the jury finding not guilty, it seems like a slap in the face.
Civil rights coordinator Ramzy Kilic says Megahed is being accused of charges of which he was already acquitted.
The highest court in the country, the federal court, just found him not guilty by a jury of his peers, 12 people. And he was found not guilty. And this is what happens 2 days after.
Megahed remains in immigration's custody. His father is now seeking an immigration attorney to try and sort out how his son could be back in the hands of federal agents. In Tampa, Shannon Malaire, Fox 13 News.
Immigration officials say Megahed will have a chance to make a case for himself in front of an immigration judge. Until then, though, he will remain in federal custody.